Racing gas is started via Blitzkrieg. Break quickly at the start, moving up Green Lexter. Keep your distances down on the inside because of you. Perfect move. Malihim in the middle portion is Speedy Kim. Mokay Masaganang Ani comes next. Then followed over by Luck to Win. And going along for the first turn, we have Green Lexter because of you. Sorry outside. Keep your distances down on the inside. Then next on is Mokay Malihim comes next. Masaganang Anya, Luck to Win. Then comes Perfect Move. Speedy Kim second last, while Blitzkrieg now running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Keep Your Distance by our ahead. And on the outside second is Green Lexter. 4 lengths further back in third comes Mokay Malihim is down in fourth. Moving up Luck to Win, Masaganang Ani because of you. Perfect Move is Speedy Kim, while Blitzkrieg is still racing in lengths. And at a far turn, we have Keep Your Distance, Green Lexter. Then here comes Mokay, now moving up to take second. And in fourth now is Luck to Win, Malihim, Masaganang Ani, Perfect Move because of you. Blitzkrieg is Speedy Kim as they swing for home. We have Green Lexter moving up on the outside. Now is Mokay, and now saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have Mokay by about 2 lengths. And in second is Green Lexter, Luck to Win. And finally, it's Mokay. In second, close, Green Lexter, Luck to Win, Malihim, Masaganang Ani, Blitzkrieg.